Breakouts are a common problem to many, and face masks are an effective way to deal with your acne and your pimples. It'll remove dirt, oils, and unclog your pores without harming the pH level of your skin or leave skin overly dry. But why use chemicals when the all-natural ingredients can easily be used for our skincare, which is safer for our skin for current and for future? And preparing masks for acne-prone skin at home is really easy and safer for the skin at the same time, since we know which ingredients we are using and how it's affecting our skin. So we came up with 5 DIY masks for acne-prone skin that you can easily prepare in your home with easy-to-find ingredients. These cleaners will help your skin to fight against acne and future breakouts. So let's check them out.
The trendy beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
If you're looking for a mask with natural antibacterial ingredients for your acne-prone skin, the Turmeric Acne Mask might be a good option for you. So, to prepare this easy acne mask, you will only need a half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of honey, a half teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of milk. Procedure and application. Just mix all the ingredients well and apply the mask on your face. Let the mask sit for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off with warm water. You can use this mask twice a week. Let's check out the benefits of the ingredients. Turmeric powder contains healing properties and thousands of enhancing benefits. It helps to provide a natural glow and luster to the skin, and it also helps to reduce and minimize the appearance of acne scars. The honey is known to balance the bacteria on your skin, which makes it a great product to use for acne, and it also speeds up your skin cells' healing process. Apple cider vinegar is great for any acne blemishes and balance out the skin's pH level. And finally, the milk helps to soothe your skin while removing yellowish stains from the turmeric powder. Aloe has antibacterial properties that can help control and reduce acne-causing bacteria, and this Aloe Acne Mask comes with the goodness to take care of your acne-prone skin. Let's check out the required ingredients list first. To prepare this mask, you'll need 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 1 egg white, and 3 drops of tea tree oil. Procedure and application. Whip the egg white and mix aloe vera gel and tea tree oil. Then apply the mixture on your face using a brush. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off with lukewarm water. Let's check out the benefits of the ingredients. Aloe vera is known to reduce inflammation that can lead to acne scarring. It also prevents acne breakouts and reduces the tenderness and pain of the swollen acne. The egg white helps to kill acne-causing bacteria and form a protective layer over your face to avoid sunburn and swelling. And finally, the tea tree oil comes with anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. It also helps to prevent and reduce acne scars, leaving you with smoother, clearer skin. Our next favorite acne mask is the Avocado Acne Mask that won't clog your pores while treating your acne-prone skin. Now let's check out the required ingredients. This easy-to-make mask only needs 1 ripe avocado, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, and half a lemon. Procedure and application. To prepare this mask, mash the avocado until smooth and mix honey and lemon to make a smooth paste. Apply the mask on your face and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse it off with lukewarm water. Let's go through the benefits of these ingredients. Avocado helps to stimulate collagen production and aids in cell regeneration. It's loaded with skin-friendly nutrients that kill the acne-causing bacteria, clear any excess oil, and moisturize the skin. The honey clears out any blockages or clogged pores, which helps to prevent acne and pimples on the skin. And the lemon helps to reduce excess oil from skin, kills acne-causing bacteria, and treats inflammatory acne as well. you're looking for a calming mask for your skin, the cucumber mask can be a good choice for you. Let's go through the required ingredients first. To prepare this mask, you'll need 1 cucumber and 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. Procedure and application. Mash a cucumber and strain the water. Mix the yogurt well and apply it generously on your face. Leave the mask on for 20 to 30 minutes and take a small, refreshing nap. Let's go through the benefits of these ingredients. The cucumber is rich in vitamins that help to reduce blemishes. This cooling, soothing mask will help smooth your skin, which can feel rough from acne. And the yogurt has antibacterial and antifungal properties. It helps to prevent acne breakouts and ensure a glowy, healthy skin. The charcoal acne mask will completely provide you a different experience on your skin, especially for oily and acne-prone skin. Let's go through the required ingredients first. To prepare this easy mask, you'll need 1 tablespoon of activated charcoal, 2 tablespoons of Bentonite Clay, and 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Procedure and application. Just mix all the ingredients and add a bit of water to make a thick paste. Then apply the mask generously on your face and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Let's go through the benefits of these ingredients. Activated charcoal acts as an inflammatory property. It helps to make skin look clearer and blemish-free. It also sucks out the dirt and leaves the skin smooth. The bentonite clay helps to remove sebum or oil from the skin surface and also have a calming effect on inflamed breakouts. These are our 5 favorite DIY masks for acne-prone skin. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.